Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter fudge. Yummy. Peanut butter fudge is really easy to make, only 4 ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to just take a nice sauce pot right here, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 cups of white granulated sugar. And then we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of milk. Now let's go ahead and take this over to the stovetop and we're going to heat it up. All right, here we are over at the stovetop. I have the heat on medium low. We're going to heat this up until it starts to boil. And then once we get it to boil, what we want to do is let it boil for 2.5 minutes before we take it off the heat. Okay, and we're going to stir to make sure it doesn't burn. And when it's at this early stage, you can just go ahead and stir occasionally. Once it starts to get really hot, we're going to need to keep stirring. And this part right here takes a little while. Okay, once it starts boiling, you can see it starting to bubble and boil here. Then we'll start the timer for 2.5 minutes. Let's just go ahead and keep stirring at this point so it doesn't burn. It's taken about 20-25 minutes actually to get to this point. All right, once the timer goes off, let's go ahead and remove it from the heat. All right, now we want to work fairly quickly. Let's go ahead and add in our vanilla extract. We'll stir that in there. Okay. And then let's add in, that was 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then let's go ahead and add in our 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Get it all in there. Okay, nice. And let's just go ahead and just start stirring this in there. Great, this is looking awesome. It's getting nice and smooth. Oh yeah, that's where you want it to be. Smells really good. All right, at this point, let's go ahead and take our 8x8 pan that we have lined with parchment paper. Get all this in there. I'm gonna come over to my spatula. All right, awesome. Okay, and then once you get it all in there, just go ahead and spread it out. Okay, and then you can give it a little tap, give it a little wiggle, so it gets a little even. And now we just want to let it set and cool completely, and it'll set up and it'll be ready to cut into. There we go. Okay, once our peanut butter fudge has set, cool down, go ahead and take it out of the pan. And then let's go ahead and just cut into this. Just like normal fudge. Yeah, pretty awesome. And just go ahead and cut it up in those squares, whatever size that you want. And there you go. All right, our peanut butter fudge is done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. If you want a classic chocolate fudge recipe, I have one as well, and you can find that link down below or up here in the eye. Click on that. All right, I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab this one right on top.